Myself Manju Garg, mother of Aditya Garg, who has been part of the FIITJEE family since 2011. Aditya joined FIITJEE in class 8. Earlier I tried the correspondence course also in class 7, but it didn't work. Then once Aditya start coming to FIITJEE, the type of assignments, the type of faculty, the type of peer group he found here for his studies was unbelievable. He started preparing for his NTSC through FIITJEE. He got All India rank 10 during the NTSC exam. Then when he came in class 9, he joined 4-year classroom program and prepared for JSTSC, KVPY and finally for the G Advance. The type of assignments, the type of environment he got here, I couldn't dream of providing him anywhere else. The bonding he shared with his faculty is marvelous. It was just like a second home to him. I think that he has come to FIITJEE more than his regular school. Regular PTMs were a very good way to interact with the faculties, and I was very much amazed to find that each and every faculty was so aware of strength and weakness of my child to keep ahead in the competition. And I forgot to mention about RMO which Aditya cleared, which was just a dream come true for me. But I never thought that he would be able to clear the exam. But through the regular input and the regular help he got from his faculty, make him clear it so easily that I couldn't explain it. Finally, I thank all the staff, all the faculties of the FIITJEE Punjabi Bagh for all the achievements my son got in life, and whatever he gets in his life in terms of his career, I owe all his success to FIITJEE Punjabi Bagh.